HealthExpress Honest review. Watch before using. In this video, I'm going to give you no nonsense review. So I'm going to give you a straight and a sharp review about this platform, which is HealthExpress. So HealthExpress is a UK-based online healthcare provider that offers medical consultation and prescription services. Established in 2002, it aims to provide a convenient and a discreet ways for patients to access treatment for various conditions without the need for a face-to-face doctor's visit. And here are the key features about this platform. They provide online consultation, so patients can complete medical questionnaires reviewed by registered doctors, and also they provide the prescription services, so approved treatment are prescribed and dispensed directly. They also offer next day delivery for order placed before 16:30 in GMT. They provide the patient support. So customer service is available Monday to Friday between 8 a.m. to 17 on a 24 hours time. And here are the props of this website. They give access to healthcare services without leaving home. They also give access to quick process and delivery of medication, discreet consultation, and packaging. It's also part of their probes, and also a high customer satisfaction with a trust score of 4.7 based on over 24,000 reviews. And here's the downside about this platform: the cost. Some customers find the service relatively expensive, and availability services are primarily in UK based and limiting access for international patients. And here's the conclusion about this platform: HealthExpress provide a reliable and efficient online healthcare services, particularly for those seeking convenience and privacy. While the cost may be higher compared to traditional services, the positive customer feedback underscores its value. However, individuals outside the UK should verify services availability in their region.